In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn n8n quickly and efficiently, so it feels almost like cheating, step by step. First, open your n8n dashboard. Take a minute to scan the personal section and head into Chat, where you can try a built-in assistant like Claude or use Chat within your workspace. This gives you a feel for how n8n works with AI from the start. Now move to the canvas. Notice how nodes sit on the grid and connect with lines. Find the manual trigger node in the list. This is your best friend for testing because it lets you run a workflow on demand without waiting for an event. Let's learn by doing. Create a simple workflow called Generate a Facebook Post with AI. Click the plus button, add a manual trigger, then add an AI node. In the AI node, paste a short prompt such as write a friendly Facebook post announcing a new blog article about productivity tips. Click Execute Workflow and watch the output appear. You've just built a functional workflow in minutes. Next, use templates. From the dashboard, open Templates and pick any ready-to-use workflow. Walk through each node to see what it expects in and what it sends out. Run it to watch the inputs and outputs move along the chain. Seeing a full example in action will rapidly accelerate your understanding. Start small, then expand. Try single-node workflows like AI, read file, or upload to master the basics. When you're comfortable, chain them together. Trigger to AI to upload to notification. Keeping the flow simple makes troubleshooting fast. For AI nodes, master your prompts. Write clear, short instructions and be specific about tone, format, and length. Test and tweak until the output matches your goal. Small edits to wording often make a big difference. Experiment with node settings. Click through every option to learn what each toggle and field does. Try switching outputs, connecting to different nodes, or inserting expressions to reference data from earlier steps. This curiosity builds real fluency. Learn by copying. Export and import workflows you find from other users or tutorials, then modify them to fit your needs. It's a practical shortcut to understand best practices. Always use the manual trigger first. Run. Execute workflow to validate everything before you add automatic triggers. This keeps mistakes contained. Focus on one goal per workflow. Keep it simple. Generate an AI post or upload a file, then layer complexity only after the basics work. Finally, iterate and practice daily. Build one or two tiny workflows, run them, tweak them, and your confidence will compound quickly. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.